In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Nordvpn iOS app download. Whether you're traveling and want to keep your data secure, or just looking to maintain your privacy while browsing at home. Understanding how to set up a VPN on your mobile device is more important than ever. This guide will take you through the process in easy, comprehensible steps, ensuring that by the end, you'll have a fully functional VPN on your iOS device. Let's start by heading to the Nordvpn website. You'll want to open your preferred browser and navigate to the Nordvpn download page. This page is your hub for everything Nordvpn related, where you can manage and download software depending on your needs. Once you've arrived here, you're going to want to locate the Login button. It's usually placed prominently at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will guide you to the account login page where you can enter your user credentials. If you don't have an account just yet, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you have one, continue by logging in. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the account overview section. This is your personal dashboard, and it provides a comprehensive look at everything tied to your Nord account. Here you can manage subscriptions, tweak security settings, and more. But for our task today, locate and click on the Download section from this dashboard. This will direct you to the Downloads area where you can choose the appropriate software for your needs. Now, once you're in the Downloads area, you'll see an option to explore further by clicking on More Options. You'll want to click on this to reveal a variety of potential options, which includes downloading VPN solutions tailored for various devices. Here, select Nordvpn. Once selected, a list of different device options will appear. You're looking for mobile solutions, so go ahead and click on VPN solution for mobile. In this section, locate the download option specifically for iOS, which will direct you towards downloading the app suitable for your iPhone or iPad. By clicking on iOS, you'll be guided directly to the App Store, where you can download the Nordvpn app. Simply follow the standard App Store installation process. Once installed, launch the app and log in with your credentials to start securing your connection. And there you have it. A simple and straightforward method to download and start using Nordvpn on your iOS device. With the app now installed, you're ready to browse the internet with a new level of privacy and security. If at any point you run into any issues, don't hesitate to check out Nordvpn's support options, as they offer a wealth of information to help you troubleshoot and make the most out of your VPN. Thanks for joining me today, and happy browsing!